This is Joe. I'm going to be going over the Millikan oil drop experiment today. First thing we want to do is actually take off this plastic cover, so over to the side. Next I want to kind of go over the different components here. This is actually the chamber which we'll be spraying the oil drops into. To expose the chamber, you actually need to slide this little metal piece here. If it's in the center sort of position, there's actually a little hole that you can see if you look into it, and then you can close it like that. This is our camera. It's actually looking through a very small hole in the side of the chamber here, and you're going to get the video feed out to this monitor here. Oh, I forgot. There's also a sprayer here. You want to be careful when you're not using this. You really want to keep it in the jar. You can spill the oil everywhere. It's a big mess. You don't want that. All right. So to get started, first thing you want to do is there's actually a bubble level in sort of the back right corner of this chamber. You want to just take a quick look and make sure that you're mostly centered. It doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but if it's way off, we might need to make some adjustments. Next thing, there's a switch on the back here. We're going to go ahead and flip on the apparatus first, and then we're going to turn on our video feed here with the power button in the bottom left corner. The atomizer or sprayer here, this most likely will not be here next to the experiment when you do get in. You'll probably need to ask a TA or one of the lab coordinators for this component. All right, now I want to go over actually selecting a drop. First thing we need to do is we're actually going to open the chamber here. We're going to take our sprayer or atomizer, and we're going to actually spray once or twice. One or two good sprays is plenty. And you'll see things almost like snow just start to come across the screen here. So first thing we want to do is we want to balance, and we want to kind of get somewhere in the 200 to 300 range. I need to adjust my focus here. Okay, we got a good number of drops there. Another thing you can do, you'll notice these are going up and down. There's a polarity button here, which will allow you to kind of keep things on the screen for a bit longer. Otherwise, they'll just fly one into the other. Ideally, what we're looking for here, and you're going to want to practice this many times before you actually start collecting your data. We want something that's going to take approximately 8 to 20 seconds to go across 6 of these lines. So kind of looking here, I kind of like this guy at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adjust my balance now. So and try and see if we can get this guy to stop. All right, we're lowering it. He's kind of coming down. All right. That's pretty good for now. We don't need it to be perfect right this second. But then now I'm going to use this elevation button, and he's going to slowly go up. And we need him to go high enough that we can cross 6 of these lines. I like to go from this line to this line. It's just a little easier, I think. All right, he's getting close. And so now I'm going to switch back to balance right here. And just leave it there for a second just to make sure he's not drifting up or down consistently. And that kind of reinforces that we do in fact have it balanced. Again, he's kind of going up a little bit, so I'm not going to worry about that for this video, but what we're going to do, lower that just a little bit, is we need to make sure our timer is not currently going. If it is, we need to use the timing start-stop to stop it. And then we are going to switch this to the 0 volts. So let's go ahead and do that. And you just got to track him as he's falling here. And we're going to wait until he gets down to about this line, which is 6 lines, unless I'm miscounting here. No, maybe 6 lines. All right, so now he's kind of approaching this last line here, so I'm actually going to put my finger back on balance. And then as soon as he crosses that, right there, we're going to hit the button. And what you're going to do is now we're going to record the amount of time that it took to drop. And we're going to want to do that. Again, first you want to try this out. You want to get comfortable with it. But when you're actually taking your data, you want at least 10, preferably 15, or even more data points is going to be helpful in your analysis. All right, after you're done collecting all your data points, what you want to do is with the atomizer here, you're going to want to return this to a TA or one of the lab coordinators. Also, before you do anything else, go get a reading of the barometric pressure. If you're not sure where it is, a TA can help you find that. That's a very important part of the experiment, and you need to collect it the day that you collect your data. After that, you've returned this, All you need to do is, let's go ahead, we'll shut down the monitor, and then we'll flip the switch back here to turn this guy off. And replace this plastic covering. You'll see a little slot here for this cable in the back for it to fit over, and you're done.